Hi guys, this is my video, of gaming on my channel. So today I'm going to play Manga High. So let's see how to open it. So I go on Google. I type Manga High and then open. This is Manga High page. So you can play Manga High on your app. It's an app so you can play in your mobile, tab, desktop, laptop, and digital. So is is the these things you can scroll down while it's assigned recommended browser actors game center Dadarkar. This is my leaderboard. So I'll show you my leaderboard. These are these are the medals. I'm first in classmates ranking and third in all. So let's play. So now I'm going to play. I'm going to go on my list. I've kept and activities. We are going to play this 5 times 10. Here you see here you see my classmates playing this. Here is the play button, so you play. You can also put this to full screen by just pressing this and play. It will just change its mode automatically. So now it's easy, then medium, then hard, then extreme. So let's play. How many fingers? So it's 5 times 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 fives are 35. 2, 3, 35. I mean lots of fire there. So there are lots means a set of 5 stars. So there are three, three lots. 1 5 is a yellow 5. And 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 20. So we have to press 20. And 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 15. So plus 15. Now 2 5s are 10. We know that. What are the missing numbers? The 2 feet, 10 fingers, and 5 on each. So 2 5s are 10. That's math. 5 5s are 25. 5 6 are 30. 5 7 are 35. What is 5 8s are? 5 8s are 40. One hand has 5 fingers. How can we work out 6 hands? So like these hands have 6. How many fingers are total there in the 6 hands? It will be 5 multiplied 6 equals 30. So we have to press the equation. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. What is 5 fours are? 5 fours are 20. So it's 5 times 10. Now it's 5 fours are 20. We get all correct. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.